The easiest way to create morph effect in DaVinci Resolve. Adjust your lights. For this morph effect in DaVinci Resolve, you'll need a completely static shots. I'm shooting each item separately right here on my desk, same position, same light, same everything. These are my 4 images. Let's for this example make them like 1 second length each. From the effects tab, drag and drop smooth cut between the first 2 images. Adjust frames to 8. Then adjust easing to in and out. Make sure the mode is set to better. Then copy this transition and transfer between the rest of the photos. Mark with M where the transitions are. Then select all images, make a compound clip. Now, cut where we mark the clip. Add again smooth cut transition. Adjust frames to 8, then adjust easing again to in and out. Again make sure mode is set to better. And now we have a very smooth morph effect.